Hello everyone, I'm MandySithika, and today video I would like to show you my weekly beauty care routine with hair care, skin care and body care. Weekly skin care, hair care, body care routine. Okay, after I wash my face, wash my hair with shampoo, then I start apply the hair mask by Masaroni Keratin Treatment Mask. And during the waiting time for washing my hair mask, I'm on scrubbing my body with the body scrub. It also use 1 to 2 times per week. Okay, then after I wash off my body scrub, then I wash off my hair too. After my hair and my face are clean, then I apply the face scrub by Momo White Lotion Gold Scrub. Okay, I scrub this scrub on my face around 3 to 5 minutes. Then I wash off. Okay, after wash off, I can finish my face exfoliate 1 time weekly, 2 times weekly, something like that. Okay, and sometimes I don't use the face scrub. I use the face mask instead. It also can be used 1 to 2 times per week. Okay, I just switch between this scrub and this mask. Okay, that means Sunday scrub my face by Momo face scrub. Then Tuesday mask off my face with Yumi face mask cream. Okay, then Friday I switch to Momo face scrub. Okay, something like that. Okay, so I have 3 types of my weekly beauty care by hair care, face care and body care. Okay, my first one is hair care by Masaroni Keratin Treatment Mask. It's the gold hair mask that I use 1 to 2 times per week and good for my broken hair. Okay, the second one by Momo White Lotion Gold Scrub is the soft exfoliate scrub that can be used for my sensitive skin face. Okay, the third one is from the body scrub. It's I love the scent of this those scrub and the smooth and soft finish after I wash off on my body. Okay, then the last one is from Yumi Herbal Repair Mask Cream. It's really good for my blemish face. Okay, thank you everyone for watching my video. Bye bye.